My country people, I greet you now. We welcome and come another Ogbonge segment on top Inside Edo. Una sabi say Inside Edo na the segment and the Ogbonge program. We for they talk about all the things where they share for we country and even Edo State back. Today we too want to talk about Nigeria at 60. Una go sabi say this we Ogbonge country Nigeria celebrates 60 years of independence on the 1st of October 2020. Now dear President Buhari come for talk say he don't do 600 votes for Nigeria since 5 years of him administration. That one means say 4 years for him first term and 1 year for this second term when they do they go so. Plus say we go still talk about SARS. Now we sabi say for online the hashtag where the trend where na EndSARS, EndSARS, EndSARS. We will talk about SARS and how this ending where they want me we end them. I ain't go take effect to country. My name na Edogogo Edoleyi and the person we get for we studio this evening na Nosa Idele Ogbeide. Oga, I greet you.
I salute you.
Welcome to the studio once more.
Well done.
We go sabi say President Buhari talk say he don't do 600 roads for Nigeria. So what we want make you talk about this evening now? How many roads when do so affected those states? You know, say if we say we divide this 600 roads by the 36 states where they we country plus FCT, how many roads you believe say go reach Edo State hand and how many actually do?
Well, for road matter for 5 years of President Buhari, to me and to majority of Edo people, all the work we say no work. You never work reach Edo. For that road matter. Few days to October 1st, I did watch for television where the spokesperson come and say President Buhari don't do 600 roads for Nigeria. For 5 years of administration. That is, in 4 years for the first tenure and 1 year for the second tenure, making 5. So I say make I look around because I can't talk about a Delta State. I don't go fit talk about Lagos State. I dey see Lagos State for television. I dey see Abuja for television. I dey see Enugu, Onitsha Bridge, Terminal Bridge for Lagos. They use and sing up and down. For Edo State, when I see most of these political actors, they fight themselves. I go to wonder whether they are fighting for development or on a personal interest. You fit imagine say we get 2 ministers for this state today. And those 2 ministers, one a senior minister, the other one a junior minister. And if you go the ring road, will be the central place for Edo, for Benin City, where they call King Square, popularly known as Ring Road. You see and say major roads from other states, they end for Ring Road. If you see Aduwawa Aziz, Auchi, Kogi Road, Okene, Lokoja, down to Abuja, now Ring Road is common. If you see Onitsha, Agbo, Asaba, Enugu Road, now Ring Road is end for that Apapa junction. If you see Abraka, you see Delta State. Now Ring Road the end for upper junction for Ring Road. That's Apomba Road. If you see Ubowo or War Road, Akure, it end for Ring Road, follow Ibi will come out. The same Ring Road. Then if you look at well, if you settle down and look at well, you will see and say the Ring Road, because there are 2 Ring Road we get for Edo State. We get Ring Road with the King Square. We get the one where PDP do that where they call Outer Ring Road. Now they call bypass. And this Outer Ring Road can connect major roads. Lagos Road, Agbo Road, that is Asaba Road, East, West, North. It connect them. And Niger Delta. It called the Outer Ring Road. And you see that road where they talk about so. Buhari commit the road. When Buhari say do 600 roads, I dey imagine the area where you do and reach for Edo, I tell affect Edo State. Let's take for example, I know some of persons where they travel on Auchi Road. Auchi Road those days, when I dey drive motor, because fear not let me drive that road this time around. From here to Auchi those days, 45 minutes. But today, any driver will drive here to Auchi 45 minutes, not be that road they pass. You dey go Abuja, they'll say Benin to Abuja, Gwagwalada, you dey see 5 hours 30 minutes. Before you come drive the airport road, reach down, you get your 30 minutes, it will be 6 hours complete. So now, the road where Buhari do for Nigeria, it affect Edo. I don't see one place. If you go Abraka Road now, for example, say you follow Upper, you follow and reach down to Ikpe. From Ikpe, they go down, you don't see one road pass. Could you believe some persons, some political actors today where they fight up and down where they live for the whole of Oriomo, they network Agbo before they defeat entire Edo State.
President Buhari talks say he don't do 44 federal roads. How many federal roads stay inside Edo State?
You see what they analyze to you now? East Road, the federal road.
Okay.
North Road, which is Aunchi, Okene, the federal road. Abraka Road to Delta, the federal road. Saple Road, where still come out for Ring Road. Where be say for Olobo one time, you spend 3-4 hours before they go. Ordinary Saple here. The federal road. Lagos Road, where they patch up and down, so they do up and down. No, you Buhari do am. Are you getting me? So when he say do 40-something federal roads, me not know the area for Edo State, areas where I don't name, so where we say Buhari for doing work. I don't know where he do and reach for Edo State. We know the benefit am, and I believe majority of Edo people know say Buhari no affect Edo State with all these roads we saying do. 600 roads in Nigeria, 40-something federal roads in Nigeria. You don't get where he do am for here. Let's quickly put small light. Okay. I followed the other day. We go Takpe, Agbo, Asaba area for this railway, whatever.
Yeah.
We can carry the coach for this name of Goodluck.
Goodluck, Jonathan, yeah.
My sister, you see, make we learn, make we not they believe, make they deceive us. Wetin my eyes see that day, not be wetin my eyes see between Abuja, Kaduna, Rail. The day when I enter Abuja Rail train from Abuja to Kaduna, you get what they say business class or be first class, about 3,500. The economy, I did tell you what happened recently, but the economy 1.5. I buy the 1.5 for the train station. 1.5. Where me sit down, it be like in a plane I sit down. We go open the one where they do for Asaba here that day before Asaba Agbo. And they look train. And they look waiting there. You know those charcoal locomotive. Me, I ask myself, he get waiting Niger Delta do there for Abuja. The head of the train are not the same. The tail of the train are not the same. The middle where they paint nowadays, in fact, me I not talk too much. So now road matter not be rail matter that we they talk about. So you see the way they oppress us, and I go see some of us we supposed to join us together to make things work. We will fight ourselves. So Nigeria roads, federal roads, where President Buhari do for 5 years, no one affected do.
So they try to say inside these 600 roads, so you do for Nigeria, where be say 44 federal roads, they inside one, no there.
Na rehabilitation, have been a reconstruction.
It do some as a rehabilitation, they can't do some reconstruction where we go patch it, but you go still let more to the part.
But not before this state. I just named the state as they take the come where they end. Let's take for example, you know they take if they come, state government do Ewa Road, Gobadia, Costain. It will be like cut and come up for town. State government still do second junction to Lagos Road. Na federal road, but state government had the maintain. If you be Mugu, we no road, you dey go Saple Road. For you to cut am within states, state roads, you go they come from east. You want hit Ring Road before you face Saple Road. But shortcut they for supposed follow. My sister, from Enugu follow Onitsha, they come Benin. Before you reach bypass Agbo Road, I don't want to talk bank aside though. when the business state government do that time, they from there they enter Romi, they from there enter Ekmo, they from there enter Igwebe. I just talk about the straight road, because when wickedness too much, you get the way you go stand say enough is enough. Who carry go and come be like twist stick for your hand? Enough, use them again. From that road come Ring Road. You don't see where federal government rehabilitates, reconstruct, or new construction. I just need bridge. If you see Third Junction, the way traffic they did there, you can't see moat. If na Hausa land, they go do bridge from there. Go come up from Guinness or Ubai. But because it don't dey here, and the actors, political actors here, we know they think of development. We want kick out development and bring in their selfish interest. They will not think of developing. They will never think of making Edo greater the way they is supposed to be. They will be thinking of how to be in power, to oppress the ones they can oppress, to live in power, to live their life normal, and keep other persons useless.
Oga, we don't talk on top road matter. Make we pull out for the one way they make our youths body they catch fire, where they make them be active. The Sami say yesterday they be put the whole Benin city on lockdown. Also say they carry peaceful protests go different locations for those states. They even will carry Chaba Palace. Wetin cause this protest now because of SARS matter? Wey be special anti-robbery squad.
You know say SARS many e dey for sickness for far.
No, not that one I dey talk. This one na for inside police force. Na one session like that inside police force wey be say na dem dey attend to robbers, like robbery matter. So they can't be anti-robbery. That one means say that they try stop robbery for the country. So the thing I say, we youths come they protest though. And in the past few days, with those of us who they follow for social media, we dey sabi say that they put videos of how police they molest our youths, how they even they shoot some, like they just they trigger happy. Wait till they country, that they happy to the shoot. And here, now that one come make we youths come the vex for the matter. Come make them they protest. They say they don't want it. Okay, Kuku just end the SARS. We think you guys to talk on top of this matter.
Well, you see, police their matter even it don't too much. That fear not they let us talk, because not them. They say may they guide us. May they protect us. May they create law abiding and be law and order.
Law and order.
You see, some of our youth, like I know they Benin yesterday, but I watch out for TV station for news. The dynamic deputy governor when they addressed the youth, and I listened to some of them when they talk. And I checked them. I believe say I don't spend some years for Edo. So I feel name all the streets for Edo. When I say all, not be say I will name all. But I get one name marriage, you say you know all the streets for Edo.
I say actually the name just now for President Buhari matter.
When you say youth, when I check the people who call themselves youth, and then they talk to deputy, because deputy saying they come, he say traffic full day for road, which is one of the major route to GRA, Iyama. He say he has to come down, come see na protest. You know, say deputy governor a person where he like protest, he like protest in a youth. Anything that has to be youth.
They put body.
You understand? But I want to ask you one question. The youth way in the protest, so will be a do youth. When I see the motto where they take the protest, the smallest motto where they take they do protest, I know they side police. I know they say they give, because if you see, if not be police, I not go rent 3-bedroom flat for GRA. They say make I stay barrack. If I close for work, I go back to my barrack. It reach where me myself go tell myself say this police work not be work, because police they get commission, they get budget. But police, if you go to their barrack today, where they live, where they sleep, you not go fit eat. You will be stranger for that barrack. But the police, they'll say make you follow environmental sanitation, go they clean people's houses. You understand me? Police also make them go maintain law and order for outside. But if you go their barrack, nothing to tell about the place. Now, if I be footballer, I dey play ball, I dey go training, I will from there go house. I look the people who protest yesterday for TV. No footballer, they among them. Where they play ball say, he join them say when they play ball, police come dey harass them. When I still check them again, there is one program Edo State government don't take favor Edo youth today. They call them Edo jobs. And that Edo job don't engage numbers of persons for Edo. Either they work for ministry, private sector, or some individuals. I don't see all those people when they log into their portal to be member, when they engage for a district government. They are among the youth where they protest yesterday for television. The most responsible youth among them are that they carry like this one. Now he carry for his crowd. He baby hair, he trouser day here, he pants they show. He say be a do youth, police they disturb him. The police them, they say federal SARS, state SARS. Before he can't reach protest against these people, IG want tell me say he no know. Say see what he boys they do for outside.
You know say IG they come from federal before IG,
and they come state too.
Before IG will come sabi wetin dey happen for 36 states, come still follow for FCT. It go say na make we get commissioners. This one are people we supposed to report.
Now listen. Before IG, commissioner for police, come sit down, say SARS or federal or state that they work, and the commissioner will come tell me or tell Edo people say he no say not be only armed robbers. Now the scheme, because the thing be like what did I go call them? The thing be like agency inside police where they combat crime, and majorly their work it is very tedious. Are you getting me? Then the same SARS go come out, they will go out. Commissioner say no, they monitor them.
Oga, I no fit talk on top that.
I'm coming.
See. Wait, Oga, wetin I want make you really talk on top. Now say this matter of say these SARS people will be part of police for one side.
They be police, not part of police. Yes.
They be police, but their name na SARS. Will be say the video me no say e no get one over see, so I believe say even you say see. Will be say they just they shoot our youths. That kind thing good.
I say police, their own, their body. Now, if we begin to talk about police, what I see, scrap. They say end SARS, hashtag end SARS. That will not remove the police from their body. I say when you born many children, you must see one where they say so complain and they come house. Not be all police they equal in terms of this personal corruption. When the commissioner send a message, they will do more than the one they send them. They will do their own. Imagine you carry gun, you shoot person who make you protect. Imagine you see person, he dress fine, you go stop and good. You want check the motor. But they not they check the vehicle particulars again. Then they check the human being particulars. Bring your phone, now then the particulars there. May I use myself do example? I forget comb my hair one day. Just the way I still forget before I come to the studio. I just forget. I dey rush go somewhere. I drive come up for a port road. I bet road safety sights me. You know, so those who go dey far. If you draw your bed, they will see you. As they sight me, I bet I pass them. The next thing, police day after they say park there. Now park. He say roll down, now roll down. He say, who are you? Now say, are you talking about my car or me? You can imagine, police they ask me, who are you? Now tell I say, I be human being. I be human being. He said, okay, your vehicle particulars, I give him. Your driver's license. 3 days to before expire. I don't go apply. Sometimes 1 week. I give him. You want the two. He said, my friend, calm down. I calm down. Open your boot. I open my boot. What are you doing for a living? I give her my ID card. Why is your hair like that? I say, hey, don't do. You don't do. Give me my papers. Give me my papers. He said, no, hold on. And this vehicle, my name is 9 but I dey work. I had to purchase this motor. Now I carry my power from her. But now I get my power. You see, not everybody get the mind. Or dey the same level when I dey. You get? Some people dey because of the crime rate wey they indulge in. Imagine boy wey dey do conductor before, 22 years old, 23. They use Camry 2.3. Now I call police say, oh boy, I know they work with their motor. By the time police answer say, what are you doing for a living? Oga, you know, I just want travel. I go one Africa. I don't want to go the country. I can't go one African country. I can't dey hustle. Now I go buy this motor. Your source of living, give me your phone. But you see, the argument on ground now be say, why police get right or they get right to search your personal phone because it's a mobile phone?
No, the matter when you want make you talk on top, not be whether they search phone. Yes. That one has story for another day. This one has say them they kill our boys, our youths. The youths will be leaders of tomorrow. If they kill them, finish, who can't get it tomorrow?
Good. The youths where they kill anyone for a day, you know.
No, but we see someone they keep on social media where they say those people are people related.
For the state, which state they kill them?
Oh guys, they kill one for Delta State, really precisely.
Really? But the news we hear about really, the person never die.
But they shoot him. They say person as suspect. They say person
as
as suspect.
If you listen to Festus Keyamo, he said they arrest him. They put him for van. Listen, I was no listen now. See, I was not there. Maybe you know there. Maybe the journalist will be there. He said they put him for motor. Then they carry and they go. Out of fear, he jump. Listen, no, very simple. They not pursue you. They arrest you for crime, suspect, not charge or sentence. Baby, I don't know. I'm not speaking for the young man or whoever. I know they speak for police. But the one refer to who you talk about us now, based on what I read about Festus Keyamo, right? Where even the DP and the Commissioner of Delta State say they must get to the root. You know, if Commissioner does say we will get to the root, you know, say they the right track. They arrest person, you jump from motor, you go get injury. Now police push you.
Oga,
you be Dino.
Oga, you don't first see where police arrest person, put am for back of that their van, the person come for.
They arrest me when I go the common.
You for?
I jump as I want jump, my leg dey ground, one dey motor, they drag me, they go. The law when I get to say, the police when it be say, make him drag me. As he drag me, I hold am, he fling me inside motor again. I use yes in my head, I use am knack bonnet. Because I dey fear say police dey carry me go station. I don't want to go station. Let me jump. They bring me back. I break my head. So I just need to understand. Some people police say jump. So that story of we now so it be. I dey tell you when I go to stop on. I stop on well. If I see police, they waka the car don't run. But I don't do any crime. And then make you understand and say that one for the person be wrong. Not to say police say I will shoot you. You will die. If you want to kill them, don't carry go station.
That make online, if you go to Tanara, the number one this way you get see for your search engine are NSAS. But we youth they protest the NSAS. If they really end the SARS, how you feel say this country will be? And now they never end that.
Who be youth?
Or now when they never end that. Their work now so they pursue with small boys. I been now so they pursue armed robbers, make them not on the robbers. When I'm for they feel they sleep with our two eyes. We go they small they go. Which one be their work?
Well, you say police. People say NSAS. There's only the end the name. There's also the drive them. NSAS. Change the name to another name. Like the NSAS. Okay, what did they come out to record say? Something squad. The same people come out again. NSAS. They don't say end police.
No, so you talk say end police, because not be all the police is
you're not getting
now one special side.
You say NSAS, now they trend. Me they tell you now say NSAS na just story. The IG or Police Service Commission will come out. They will reform the name. The only thing they will say make they do wey go enter my ear be say the police make they train them proper for proper investigating matter. Not to go in Kenya for police college, you don't come out to say don't finish. The next is say na batin I go dey carry and na gun I go dey carry. Police go dey say we no go carry batin o. Me no want because no be traffic ward me read. Me want to go operations. Police. Now they say NSAS, federal SARS. That is not the issue. You cannot come out to say NSAS. Some Bongo persons go come and say, let us create an avenue of training our police on a proper way to conform, to rehabilitate their thinking, on how to do their work perfectly, effectively. Not be NSAS and change the name. Okay, what do you call it? TV here. TNC TV. Tomorrow now you turn the M, turn out to W. What did you turn to? Very simple. The station guy. What are you saying? When you go dey hear NSAS, you can't even make the things the gas be. And they see youth wey dey talk about say NSAS. One way be musician for Lagos, something Naira Marley. Imagine Naira Marley dey represent youth for Nigeria. Naira Marley. They go one wey see yesterday for television do dada. Na those one dem be youth wey dey agitate to end SARS or rehabilitate SARS or to redirect police. Or tomorrow you see wetin go happen, kidnappers go come and say SARS must go. But because say dem, this one wey dem dey talk about so wey carry motor yesterday, small children, Mercedes GLK, Lexus 330, 350, Camry 2 point something. This one I see dem. They make for television. When I look there, I see like this. I say, as I don't play a do reach for Benin, I never know these people as the youth representing youth in Edo. The truth doesn't mean they don't talk. I'm not seeing these people saying that they represent the youth. They shout for television, they talk. Police, they know themselves, they know their own. Police sit down. When I go, they come that time. We go dey get one house where they go dey do gym. They go just come, everybody lie down. We go lie down. Wetin una come for? He say because everywhere they dey gym those days na armed robbers na im dey stay the backyard. Me no thief. They are not talk say I no lie, but they are not thief. So what I say now, very simple thing. If the youth, if people go come and say create workshop for police to get proper orientation on how to operate, on how to protect lives and properties, on how to, are you getting me? Very simple. Me support am. Very simple.
Oga, thank you. We don hear wetin you don talk for the studio today. And we believe say when the people sef wey dey power don hear wetin you talk on top the police reform wey you really chook mouth put on top. And I believe say you go still fly enter President Buhari here say inside the 600 roads wey you do wey follow for the 44 federal roads, no one wey you do wey affect us for those states. So make him try do something on top am before him second tenure will expire. Oga, thank you when you take come with studio. We really appreciate you. And when you take throw better light on top of all these things like this, come make us understand say the way we tell you see some kind of things is for not be say they really be. My people, now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo. For more episodes, make una join us like this again for this ogbonge channel wey una dey so. Until next time, I still be Edo or Edolei. Bye bye.
Thank you very much.